there are obstacles to operating at peak efficiency and exceeding customer expectations. Things like poor visibility, data silos, strict compliance requirements, and relying on legacy systems that struggle to scale, serve, and support customers today. Leave the old ways behind and automate with DELMIA. We know money is made on the shop floor, which is why DELMIA is shop floor first. It starts with the click of a button. When a sales order is submitted, DELMIA checks every requirement necessary to fill the order. Using the bill of material, the system knows how long it will take to fulfill the order and the resources needed. DELMIA scheduling system plans production and makes sure delivery occurs on time. Raw materials are scanned, and the system adjusts inventory levels accordingly as they are consumed. Our MES collects data in real time during the manufacturing process, helping to best manage costs and to provide insights to management for future improvements. Finished goods are then scanned into inventory locations. DELMIA allows users to maintain quality standards, ensuring compliance to strict industry regulatory requirements. The system creates all necessary shipping documents, pickups are scheduled, and orders go out on time. Finally, the system invoices the customer for the order. The DELMIA accounting tools also increase financial visibility, even down to the individual item being produced. DELMIA is an end-to-end solution, one complete, cohesive platform to run an entire manufacturing operation. Companies can also choose to integrate our MES with their existing ERP. Choice is the new cloud here at DELMIA. We have various deployment options to suit every manufacturer. Improve quality, increase efficiency, lower production costs, achieve on-time delivery, and scale growth. Stand tall against the competition. Gain a competitive advantage with DELMIA.